Njengoba uMzantsi Afrika uqhubeka nokuqaphela inyanga yabasetyhini, iziko eliqwalasela uphuhliso lwamanina iNISA Institute for Women's Development likhuthaza abantu basetyhini abajongene nokuxhatshazwa ukuba bathethe ngemeko abakuyo ukuze bafumane uncedo nenkxaso ngaphambi kokuba ubundlobongela buqatsele. Lo mbutho usindleke umsitho eLenasia namhlanje apho abasindileyo kubundlobongela obujoliswe kwisini befumene khona iingcebiso kunye neenkonzo zokhathalelo lokwengqondo.
Inhlangano ebhekelela izisulu zokuhlukunyezwa kwabesifazane iNISA Institute ibambisene neNational Shelter Movement of South Africa bathi akukho mbokodo yaphenduka undingasithebeni bekhona ngakho-ke bayakhuthaza ukuthi imbokodo iphumela obala ngokuhlukumezeka kwayo.
What we actually do when they get to the shelter is that I will firstly do the intake, which is the process where I will be asking them questions on what happened, where they're coming from, and how is it that they want us to help with. So to everyone out there who is in situation, be it domestic violence, gender-based violence, or whatsoever, you can actually seek for help. You don't have to come physically. We have a helpline which is a toll-free actually. You can call them and then they will place you to organizations if you need counseling.
Omunye ke wabahlala ekhaya leyisulu nongathandanga ukudalulwa uthi ke sekube usizo olukhulu ukuhlala kule ndawo njengoba ke kwazi ukwelulekeka ngokwengqondo.
I did went to sport complex and got 3 certificates. Ziningi izinto engizimprovile and I now babysit ingane to keep my life going. Dealing with kids, it helps you ukuthi umqondo wakho ube busy and awulokucabanga izinto eziningi, plus abantwana yakhona bafundisa izinto ezisimple like abo 1 2 3 abo myself nazo ziyajwayela zigcine sezikuthanda enjoy lezo zinto lezi ezincane.
Le nhlangano ke ihlinzeka izisulu ngendawo yokuhlala, ukwelulekwa ngokwengqondo kanye ke nokubasiza ngamacala okuhlukunyezwa kulabo abasuke besahamba izinkantolo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngiseLenasia.
Okanike kwelinye icala isiyaphambili projects inikele ngezinto ezibalulekileyo kubasindileyo kubundlobongela obusekelo kwisini njengenxalenye yemisebenzi yokubhiyozela kwaye kuqatshelwe inyanga yabasetyhini eLenasia. Lo mbutho ongenzi inzuzo ubuyinxalenye yomsitho obuqhutywa yiNISA Institute for Women's Development kwaye ubonelele ngemiqamelo yamabhinqa, ukutya kunye neemveliso zokuthambisa kubantu basetyhini abafumana inkxaso. Isiyaphambili projects ithi eliphulo lijolise ekukhumbuzeni abasindileyo ukuba baxatyisiwe kwaye akufuneki benziwe bazive bengabalulekanga ngenxa yokuxhatshazwa abakufumeneyo.
Ayisalanga ke ngaphandle isiyaphambili projects ngenkathi ke kubungazwa inyanga embokodo eLenasia njengoba izinze khona nokulapho ke ifike iphethe khona izijumbana zeziphe ezihlukene kanye ke nezinsiza zokuyiphophotha. Ilungu lalenhlangano lithi ke okwabo uqiniseka ukuthi kabesibhuda bazizwa bebalulekile.
We have the ladies here from the shelter. We are having a picnic today. We're having so much fun. So what we're doing is we are doing their makeup, we are doing their nails, we are having a whole full day and just enjoying some time together as ladies, you know. So we just are here having fun, you know. We got the hampers, we got hampers that we gave them out, and you know, we're just spoiling them because every woman deserves to feel beautiful and spoiled. So that's what we're doing today. We're bringing back themselves. Since the ladies came in, they saw the makeup and everything, they got so excited. You know, what I'm expecting, what are we expecting today is we just want to, you know, get into their hearts and share their stories and just make them feel good about themselves and be women in power. You know, we just want them to feel good about themselves.
Omunye wabaxhasi balomcimbi obunamuhla uthi ke uqonda kahle ukuba sesimeni lapho kufanele uqalele phansi kabusha impilo ngenxa yezihibe zempilo obhekene nazo phambilini.
I understand it because I relate to it. I relate to how it feels being a woman that has lost everything and had to rebuild. I understand the struggles of a woman being put out there in the world and having to make something of their lives. So, yes.
Izisuluko ezingathandanga ukuvezwa zikhuthazeke labo abasahleli phezu kwenhlukumezeko ukuthi ke bezohlala kanye nabo babathembisa ke ukuthi bayothola ukuthula nenkululeko. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngiselinesia.